We're already pausing? What's happening? I'm ready.
7 Days to the Wolves.
Hey. This is going to be good.
You look scared.
This is going to be good.
It's probably going to be a lot of... Are you going to try to windmill with your
There's
long,
nothing to
lush
windmill.
hair?
There's nothing.
Out of all three of us, it would be you.
Me.
You
It
would
would
need
be
a
you.
windmill.
I know, but I have to pee.
So,
Sorry.
so not Leela, even though windmilling really isn't.
It's a
ladder?
core. You hold your core.
Focus.
You raise your knees.
No.
Okay,
No.
well, we don't want you
But-
peeing on the floor,
Yeah.
so probably shouldn't do that.
But what we're doing this for is because
Mark
Yes.
from the UK.
you
I
know
know
who
who
you
you
are.
are.
Everybody better know who he is because he be telling us.
Yes.
This is Mark from the UK. We are finally getting to your your request.
Yes.
And it has been long overdue, and we just can't wait to get back into this.
So let's do it.
Yes, let's go.
I can't. We have to stop it. I can't. I'll rewind it a little bit.
To get back
Yes.
into
Yeah,
it.
we have to. I mean, we gotta get.
This is the crescendo.
Oh yeah.
It has to be the crescendo.
Okay, first off, she's lovely.
She is
I-
lovely.
She commands the crowd. I'm
She
like,
does.
yes, let's go to war.
Yeah. Yeah, she really does.
Right
Strap on my
now.
breastplate right now.
Yeah.
Like for real though, she's like,
But in the beginning with the instrumental,
oh yeah, just
they're
that.
incredible.
Oh, I know. And like you said, I think you mentioned you're like the background.
The background.
Like all of the, yeah.
All of it. You just want to be there.
Yes.
I don't per se love this type of music, right? Don't listen to it all the time, but I want to go to that concert and I want to be there with
The
them.
energy
Oh yeah.
in
It's
the
electric.
freaking crowd.
Yeah.
I was
Can you
gripping
imagine?
I was gripping my granny chair over here,
Yeah.
whipping back and forth.
I know. I think I popped my neck. I'm just kidding. But no, like it is just like it's a whole vibe.
It is.
It's
And
a vibe.
like, why isn't this on Guitar Hero? And
What?
it,
We were
Oh, I would
Check
not
it
do
out.
well on
100%.
it.
really?
No. Did you see he was like flipping me off, basically?
I feel like we
Like-
could have got the spot. He was getting that spot, and we're like, yeah, we could follow you.
I-
we got this.
I'm-
And then
No,
we would
I was
do it.
never good at guitar.
If
It
Hero.
would
they
be
did-
red, red.
if they did a Guitar Hero Nightwish edition, done.
Oh, that
like
would
it
be
would
so-
sold out in seconds.
Also, is a Guitar Hero even still a thing?
I think
Stop.
so.
What about playing it on that piano thing that we did at Dave and Buster's?
That was fun.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Okay. Let's get back
there
into
we
the
go.
crescendo.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't just say that because I would have.
He was like the piano guy was like, "Are y'all ready for it to freaking
get
get
turned.
lit?"
All right,
I'm
let's-
ready.
Let's get lit.
Yeah. See?
With the horses.
Is
that what that
is?
Oh.
Yes.
There you go, Mira. Nicely done. I mean, we know Nightwish don't play.
They
No.
don't, and I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted watching you
I'm
and
exhausted.
them.
Yes, both of them.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah.
I couldn't hang.
No, I cannot.
I couldn't.
They like start at our bedtime.
They-
I feel like because
They
we're
do,
like, whoa.
but also their energy is way up here, and around that time my energy is way down here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
I'm not trying.
But here's the thing: we looked at going to see them in
We did.
concert,
we did.
yeah.
and they're not touring. From what we
No.
found out, it might be a
Yeah,
minute.
let us know if
Yeah.
that's not right because we legit looked
Look,
into.
so Mark, I would love to see you at a freaking Nightwish
Oh my
concert.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, for you guys, we'll push our bedtime.
Yeah,
All right,
Oh,
we
yeah.
will.
but can
Absolutely.
you? Okay, here's my thing too.
We'll take a nap
is-
early
Yeah.
on.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Like in the
Yeah.
in the afternoon and then go.
Yes. So for
Like
me,
7,
I
8.
was in it. I was gripping my granny chair. I was in it. And all I could think about was just having the surround and the energy. And I was
Yeah.
just like, this would be so good.
Yeah, it'd be epic.
Like
Epic.
live.
Yeah.
Because I was enjoying it just here.
Here. But we also got to see more than the people down below because who said that? One of you said that he was playing the piano as he was winning.
When
Yes.
Piano Man freaking can, he's like, la, la, and I can't see anything. But I'm,
Yeah, but he's
I would-
going.
They have to
Insane.
do neck exercises.
They do. Well, no, everybody said
Stretches.
in the comments that if you do windmilling properly, you're not going to hurt yourself.
Okay.
Properly.
Well, there we
I
go.
think I did pull a muscle when I
Yeah.
when I tried it back, a couple night wishes.
Yeah.
So I'm a knot, you know.
Do that again.
But I can do some of this. You know,
you don't
like-
give a good.
yeah,
Yeah.
but not right now because, but yeah, that was fun. Thank
Yeah.
you, Mark, for the suggestion.
yes.
Yeah.
I feel like we've had that suggested to us.
For a while.
And
Yeah.
yeah, for a while.
We got
So
there. We finally
thank
got there.
you for joining our live, Mark, and reminding us that we haven't done it.
Yes.
We've done it now. So thank you so much, and until next time.
Bye.
Bye.